Organizing and presenting information clearly over the phone. Mastering the art of effective communication. Hello, dear learners. Effective communication is the key to any successful interaction, and in today's lesson, we're going to delve into an important skill that will make your telephone interactions smooth and fruitful. Organizing and presenting information clearly. This is crucial for both personal and professional phone calls and will help you improve the quality of your communication significantly. Before you can present information clearly, you need to understand it thoroughly. Take a moment to organize your thoughts, review what you want to convey, and ensure you have a clear grasp of it. Always remember to stay on point and avoid straying into irrelevant details. This will ensure that your listener can follow along and understand the information effectively. The next aspect of presenting information over the phone is to ensure clarity. Avoid using jargon or overly complex words, which might confuse the listener. If you must use technical terms, make sure to explain them in simple language. Keep your sentences short and to the point. Speak at a moderate pace, and ensure you enunciate your words clearly to avoid any misunderstanding. Present your information in a logical and sequential manner. You could think of it as telling a story where one point naturally leads to the next. Starting with the most essential details, and then moving on to the less crucial ones, can make your information easier to absorb. Even after presenting your information clearly, it's important to confirm understanding. Ask the listener if they understood or if they have any questions. This helps to clear up any confusion and verifies that your message has been effectively communicated. And there we have it, folks. Mastering these strategies will help you organize and present your information clearly over the telephone. Remember, effective communication is not only about transmitting information, but also about ensuring that the information has been accurately received and understood. Practice these strategies and make your telephone conversations more effective and productive. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more lessons on improving your English listening and speaking skills. Until next time, happy learning!